Škoda revealed the new ENYAQ RS IV. Just like the ENYAQ COUPÉ RS IV, the Czech carmaker has opted for two motors with a total output of 220 kilowatts and an all-electric drive for the top version of the SUV. This makes the two RS versions of the ENYAQ IV family the most powerful vehicles in Škoda's portfolio. The ENYAQ RS IV's dynamic appearance with sports suspension as standard, large 20 or 21-inch wheels, and distinctive RS features makes it instantly recognizable as an RS model. With a top speed of 180 km per hour, it is 20 km per hour faster than the other ENYAQ IV models, as is the Coupé variant. Locally emission-free, the vehicle sprints from 0 to 100 in just 6.5 seconds and boosts a maximum torque of 460 Nm, which is available from standstill as is typical for an e-vehicle. It's got the 82 kWh battery and a maximum range of over 500 km in the WLTP cycle. Thanks to a maximum charging power of 135 kilowatts, the ENYAQ RS IV's lithium-ion high-voltage battery can be charged from 10 to 80% in just 36 minutes at fast charging stations. Tell me in the comments how do you like this model and subscribe for more.